Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Great to see you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good morning. Good evening. Good day, everyone. Happy Tuesday time, the 3rd of March. I can see the link is not working for Formula. I'm gonna verify what's the problem behind. But in the meantime, we're out here getting ready for a very interesting session. Our daily opening is above 25,000, guys. We dropped more than 600 points today. Welcome, guys. Great to see you. Great to have you on board. How do you feel today? How do you feel today? How do you enjoy your time? We have some big announcements, and I'll post the video soon. Yeah. We are fine. So I'm gonna take the link down from Formula if it's not working. Till it functions. I'll take the link away, guys. Good day, everyone. Good morning. Let me just go ahead and share the presentation with all the friends and community members. Come on, guys, do the same thing, and then we are gonna speak about the announcement. We have the Lucid again at 40%, guys. The 40% promotion has been reset for Lucid, which means again we have 5 users for Lucid at 40% off with Scrambo code, right? So once again, guys, Lucid just reset their promotion. Thank you, guys, appreciate it. Lucid has just reset their promotion. It's 40% off. Their 40% off on 5 users is back working again, guys. Right, so 5 users on 40% off, Scrambo code, and then everything is gonna be on 30%. So what's the issue you guys are facing with Formula? What's the issue you guys are facing with the Formula? You're not getting the verification code, or let me know, guys, what's the issue behind the system? Yeah, this is a problem from Formula. This is a bug from Formula. Yeah. It's 40% again, guys. It's 40% again. Right, just a couple of hours ago, Lucid updated their promotion. We're sitting back on 40%. You certainly want to verify, double check that, guys. Thank you so much. Yes, we're going to talk about today a lot on Tap on Futures. And I'm going to post a review video today, guys. Top 1 futures prop firm, which we have been trading since April 2025. Here's the link, guys. Coupon code Scramble maximum discount is having daily payouts. Daily payouts. Look at that. I'm going to explain you have daily payouts in the funded stage, and you do not have consistency in the funded stage. Think about it. Top 1 futures. I've dropped you the link in the comments, in the chat. My code gives you maximum discount. The first purchase will be 60% off, and then it comes 50, right? So daily payouts above the buffer. Very simple, straightforward, maximum 5 accounts. For example, the big account, the 100,000, is, let's see what's the price of the first account for the 100,000. I'm going to grab this, guys, and trade. I'm going to grab some accounts today and organize myself and trade. So for the first account with the Scramble code, the price is $159 for 100K. No consistency unfunded, and daily payouts. 159 bucks, no activation fee. Think about it. Elite Daily, it's called. And there is a lot to talk about it, guys. There is a lot to talk about it. This is a tremendous opportunity. Especially right now, they're allowing 5 accounts, which is going to be reduced at 3 accounts, but there is a massive promotion running through. No daily loss limit on the challenge phase. And then there will be daily loss limit. Great payouts. I mean, the 100K is 1,500 bucks per day. I mean, you should be satisfied with $1,500 a day, right? I think you're satisfied with that one, guys. Watching the price action closely here. It's very interesting, and it's quite hard to long the markets. Getting started with the YRM. Thank you so much, guys. So top 1 futures is going to be part of my daily trading routine back as it used to be with their new product, because that's extremely attractive. When you can do daily payouts, I mean, I love that. You know, you just, pass the evaluation at industry standards, 6% target. Build the buffer, which for the 100K is at 3 grand. And then above the buffer, you can take your payouts. And you can just nicely make the amount of money you want to take out each cycle and get paid, right? You have no consistency, so you can basically produce that money. Yes. The form is not working for the moment. The form is dysfunctional for the moment for some reasons. I have to delete the form. And do another one. Exactly. Easy evaluation and then daily payouts. Think about it, guys, for top 1 futures. Here's the code. Maximum discount will be grabbed with my coupon. Yeah. Yes, pass in 3 days, exactly, which is great. And then the 4th day, you can already make money in the funded stage in your first day, right? So basically, and then you can qualify for payouts daily. Think about it. You can take great price too right now for sure. The prices will increase at some point heavily, right? So they're not going to remain here, guys. It's not possible. I do know the numbers, they're not going to remain here. Prices are just insane right now. Yeah, no formula right now. Yeah, there is an issue with the formula, guys. There is an issue. You don't need to complete any formula for the moment. Getting to my YRM, I'm going to trade the YRM account here. That looks quite juicy from yesterday. We made 1,500 on our first day. And I'm going to my micros. Not gonna trade minis in these conditions. Yes, extremely cheap, guys. Yeah, in terms of the trading platforms, you got Tradeovate, Ninja, and TradingView. They paid more than $22 million so far. Yeah. Elite daily with daily payouts, no consistency on funded, right? It's just insane, guys. I'm telling you. There's gonna be some milking going on right now. Yeah, the 50k account is let me double check the price on the 50k. 87 bucks with my code. 87 for the first purchase. Only one purchase is at 60%, then it comes at 50. Milking, yes. Because they're not expecting basically to be... They're not expecting you guys to pass the evaluation. They're not expecting you guys to hit the level for the payout. They're not expecting you to do that. And the prices will increase, right? So now they have a... You know the way it works, guys. Instant funded, we have basically the YRM, if you care about the instant funded, buddy. YRM instant funded is the cheapest with highest drawdown and a great payout. Plus the target is lowest. Instant funded 150k is the best right there for the YRM, buddy. Yes. It's not going to blow out. Let me explain how does it work with the prop firms creating certain contexts and situations that are so. Elite Daily, a new product created. There is a budget for this product to be marketed. And they are having a specific budget they can dedicate towards having this plans into attracting people. Which means they can run on break even or they can run on minus for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and then they will increase the prices, and with all the database of clients they got, they will start making profits, right? Right, so they can dedicate a period of 2 or 3 weeks just to break even without profits or having a minor minus at these prices, and then prices will increase and profits will come, right? The most important point when you create a new plan like this is obviously to bring the attention and not the profits from the first day. So you need to have a budget to be able to digest possible losses, and Top 1 Futures is fine with that. Hidden catches. Well, I made a review video today, which will be posted on my channel. You are not allowed to do news trading. And it's kind of clear why. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. No news trading. 4 minutes. And that's pretty much all. I mean, you know, people would just massively start monthly prices, but I have to verify if the monthly is only for the evaluation or if it comes also for the funded stage 2. I have to verify that. Right, it's monthly, but the question is monthly for the evaluation phase or this is monthly for the funded phase 2? I mean, even if it's monthly and if you're funded, you should be able to secure that payout, right? Right, so you should be able basically to produce that money because, you know, in 30 days you should become funded. And if you become funded in 30 days, then obviously you can request your payout daily. So this is a massive product, guys, made from the Top 1 Futures. Watching the price action closely here. I'm gonna grab accounts. I don't know if it's monthly funded. I never heard of that too. That's why I say I haven't asked right now for Tap One if the funded stage is monthly. Haven't heard of that any, but could be. Which I'm gonna reach out and see that for you guys. Yeah, the formula is not working yet. Now, even if it's monthly, we don't have yet the formula working. Yes, daily payout after the buffer. I mean, that's kind of obvious, right? The buffer is not high. Let me show you here, guys. The buffer is not high. Right, so we have elite daily accounts rules here with the payout rules. Here's the buffer you've got. 3,000 for the 100k, which is 3%. 2,000 for the 50k, which is 4% there, right? So I think the 100k is a top notch, 3%. Whatever you make above that 3%, it's not 6%, it's not 5%. Whatever you make above that 3%, up to the payout cap, 1,500 is a payout cap. So let's say you made 4,500, you cash out 1,500, then you make another 500 the next day or 700 the next day, you cash it out next day 700 again. As long as you're sitting above the buffer, 3 grand, you can take any amount of money. And you got no consistency. Think about it. You got no consistency. So you can leave your winners run and produce big money. Is no activation fee, and monthly subscription ends once funded. Look at that one, guys. So we just have the data. Massimiliano updated us. On Tap One Futures, the monthly subscription ends when you become funded. Yeah. So you're just making 1,500 and you can do that in a day. Or 2 days or whatever. I mean, even if you're cashing out every 3 days, that's like, you know, you can do 6-7 payouts per month, guys. It's just insane. Even if you're making 500 bucks a day and you're cashing out every 3 days 1,500, I don't think that's bad. Yeah, there is a profit split 90 to 10. Basically, this is already industry standards, profit 90 to 10. So this 1,500 is basically 1,350. But think about it, you can have times 5 because you can do copy trading in maximum 5 accounts right now. The account size will reduce from 5 to 3. Once the promotion ends. So right now you can have 5. Like 1,350 times 5, what is it? 1,350 times 5 is basically 6,750. Ho ho! 3 pounds like this per month is, you know, what? Like 20 grand, right? Times 3 is 20,000 net payout. Pre-live stage after 4 payouts. That's why you kind of have to do it basically with as many accounts as possible, right? And you know what you can do, guys? Something very smart is if you reach with an account to the payout, instead of consuming the amount of payouts, you just wait with that. Do not request the payout and start trading other accounts. Bring them close to the payout and make sure when you do a payout, you take payout from as many as possible, right? From as many as possible in a single round. So again, reach to a payout, for example, with a single account, and do not request a payout. Just wait there till you bring more accounts to the payout, and instead of having 6 payouts, you're going to have a lot more, for example, this way. A lot more money coming through. What's the question, guys? Exactly, a good hack, right? A very good hack. So 12AC says, I don't understand. If I reach 15k plus, I can request... If you reach 15k, 10 times 1,500 payouts without trading? No. Not without trading. You always have to produce from your last payout 50% of what you want to cash out in your next payout. Right? So if you want to take out 1,500, 50%, minimum 50% of that money has to be produced in your new cycle. Right? So you have to make 750 to take 1,500. You always have to make 750 to take 1,500. You always have to do minimum 50%, and that's convenient, guys. I mean, just 750, and you take a lot more. If you cash out 1,500, you do have space because your max loss is going to be original balance plus 100 bucks. You have the buffer, which is your space. Yes, 90 to 10. That's the profit split pretty much everywhere these days. You have the possibility to reset funded accounts too. The 50%, you know, you just have to make minimum 50% of what you cash out. You're planning to take out 1,500, you gotta do 750. Yeah, it's very convenient, I would say. Very convenient. No news trading, 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after. Good day everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, it's very convenient. But I'll have a review video, complete review video posted on my channel. Use the Scramble code for max discount. Daily payouts, no consistency on funded stage. It's just, you know, wild, right? Testing out along here, guys. Good morning, welcome everyone. Reset funded accounts. Well, yeah, it's good. Yes. Reset funded accounts. You can do reset funded accounts on tap on futures with their new products, which are, by the way, having daily payouts. I mean, think about it. You reset a funded account and you can take daily payouts afterwards. Obviously, it's not cheap to reset a funded account, and there is no discount on the prices for the resets. But you know, look at the difference, guys. On a normal reset for the evaluation, and then a reset that comes up. You always have to see if the reset is not cheaper than buying a new one. You always have to see, because maybe buying a new one is cheaper. You always have to do the math. You want to test the code and see, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video, guys, please. Thank you, guys. This is looking quite juicy here. Quite juicy. Rip it, guys. Come on, rip it. Yeah, it's huge, guys. Taking 750 a day out is huge. But you gotta think about maximizing. Prices will change. Prices will increase. They're doing this right now at this prices, you guys see, to attract clients. It's normal. That's how a company needs to do in order to attract clients to people, in order to attract new clients and visibility and all that stuff, right? No activation fee. No activation fee. So these prices will certainly increase. You're not going to see these prices anymore. $750 a day. Think about for a 25K account. $750 a day every day. But you see, the buffer for the 25K is quite high, guys. Is the highest. Is at 6%, right? Buffer for the 25K 6%, buffer for the 50K 4%, buffer for the 100K 3%. It's half. 750 a day times 5 accounts, exactly. Exactly. So you got to do what you got to do, but you want to take maximum payouts each session. And even if you bring 2 accounts or 3 accounts to payout, you better keep them there and request the payout a little later once you have 5, for example. When you have daily payouts, it's different, guys. No, I'm not dealing with Apex, whatever. We have all the companies we need. Lucid+YRM. Yeah, I mean, Top 1 Futures paid out more than 20 million so far. $22 million. Yeah, we have been working with them since April 2025, no problems. I mean, this is a top-level company. 60% off, so it's cheaper than you see with my code for the first purchase, and then 50%. This is not looking bad, guys. We're about to hit the first target of the day. You see how we have been sniping the entry and the exit, talking about other things, and there you go. The target has been hit, guys. $1,445. Scrambo's on fire again. Oh, heavy fireworks show. There you go. Congratulations, guys. Thank you so much. Celebration time. 5 funded accounts, guys. 5 funded. Boom. We have been talking about other stuff, but I had my eyes on the charts. You know, TopStep is a decent company, but we're not trading there. We have all the possibilities and the needs sufficiently offered by Lucid, which is number 1. We have the YRM, which is great as well on instant funded and starter accounts, extremely cheap. And then we have right now the Top 1 Futures with their daily payouts and no consistency, which I'm about to try. Yeah, I'm going to go heavy on this account. I'll go heavy on the 100K accounts. And like I said, instead of taking solo payouts, I'm trying to bring 4 or 5 actually. We can have 5, maximum 5. I'll try to have 5 accounts ready for the payout before I request the payout, instead of requesting them one by one. And lose opportunities. No. And it's daily payout, so that's just insane. Look at the exit we had here, guys. This is the place we have exited. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh, look at that. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. More platforms. Well, Tradeovate, Ninja, TradingView. I think Quant Tower, This should be Quant Tower. This should be Quant Tower, guys. Oh, I'm gonna ask them to. Yeah, we touched the algo here, guys. We touched the algo. Look at that, and we've been bouncing from the algo. $12 AC, come on, guy. Zero activation fee. Let me have that message up here. Look at that. Boom. Daily payouts and no consistency. If this product is delivering, guys, watch. Watch how the other companies will follow through. Watch how the other companies, thank you guys, appreciate it. Watch how the other companies will follow with daily payouts and no consistency on the funded stage. They will do the same thing. This is quite of a smart product, guys. Top 1 futures, instant funded. No, not instant funded from Top 1 futures. If you care about the instant funded, you know, that's a different story. But I think the elite daily with daily payouts is much better than their instant funding. No consistency on funded and daily payouts. I think this is much better, Chris. Right, so this product here might change the direction of the prop firm's necessities in the upcoming. And watch out for the words I'm saying. They might not be that big as what we're gonna face in the upcoming months, right? They might just be the leaders here with daily payouts, no consistency. Yeah, I know Aqua Futures, but I'm not trading there. Competition is great for us. This, you know, the elite daily is the result of competition, guys. Well, we have basically Lucid is not having daily payouts. YRM is not having daily payouts. And there's many other firms that are not having daily payouts, right? Yeah. Yeah, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Tradify, they have daily payouts, exactly. But in a different form. Yes. Yeah, they already have daily payouts for some time. Daily payouts, obviously it has a cap. But the cap is juicy. 1,500 for the big account. 1,000 for the 50K. These are the caps. I mean, that's good if you're taking that daily out. It's 90 to 10, obviously, on the split. I'm not trading on Take Profit Trader. Well, you know, once you get to your buffer and then make money above that, think about it. No DX feed and Rhythmic. They have Ninja, Tradeovate, and TradingView. But they're supposed to have Quant Tower as well. I do remember back in the day they had Quant Tower. Like, I need to reach out and see. If you guys have time, just write support the live chat for Top 1 Futures and ask on the website if they have Quant Tower. They used to have Quant Tower back in the day. Gotta trade our Lucid account. So as far as I know, Lucid just reset their promotion. 40% again, 5 users. Formalo is still having the problem with email verification required. No Formalo for the moment. No Formalo. Yes, I tried Trade C on Lucid. Not the best out there. Still convenient, but it's still in a beta stage. I'm gonna reach out to them to tap on futures and suggest them to bring in Trade C. Congratulations, Giving Tree. Congratulations on max payout. Congratulations, buddy. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Take profit, yeah. It doesn't seem to have the reset the sale. I've read somewhere. Maybe I got it wrong. We don't have a link today for a giveaway. It's not working yet today. Yeah, no link today because Formalo is not working today. Yes. I'm gonna make a review video for Trade C2. We don't have live accounts. We have evaluations and we have funded quite a lot of them. Especially the Lucid Flex is what I'm a big fan of. Could be bouncing here, guys. What do you think about this standpoint? We have the, it's a previous supply, and currently we might have on a nice demand, right? Plus, we could see some of the algo. I just got into a long. This is Lucid accounts evaluations. It's not looking bad, right? You just gotta rip it. Now we're gonna have fun. Haven't got much from rip it. Haven't got much from the flat opening we had 6 minutes ago on that candle. The next big thing is going to be the 5-minute algo before the New York session starts. Lovely. We've hit a partial profit. Stop loss break even here. And I'm going for my take profit right there at the top. Lovely, guys. Lovely. 10 minis entry. Look at that. Let's go, Scrembo. Let's go, guys. Good morning. Good morning. This is looking juicy. This both are all Lucid Pro. Both accounts are Lucid Pro. Look at that. Come on. Watching this one closely for a possible rejection here, and I'm going to be fully out of both. I'm fully out. I'm fully out from here. And I'm fully out from here too. Celebration time. Celebration times. 4,875. That's good, guys. Boom. Look at that. Market's fully retracing and playing games with me. Had to take that profit. 3 profitable trades here. Plus a good one on YRM, 1,445. We can't make more than that. Boom. Strike action. Protesting the pedal, 12 I see. Look at that. I've relonged it here for a couple of points. Just a quick scalp. We're on fire today, exactly. We're on fire today. I think we got a good chance. And the target has been hit. We made 1,600, which is the maximum needed because of the consistency here for the instant funded and YRM. Oh my gosh. Brand new offer, guys, for those of you that are not aware, for Top 1 futures. Daily payouts. And no consistency on the funded stage. Today, I'm dropping a review video for the Elite Daily. No consistency daily payouts. Quite juicy. Prices are low. What's the matter, guys? Come on. Fresh account here for the YRM. fresh instant funded of 150k. 450 right now. Testing along. Three days to pass the evaluations on tap one. 3 days. The fourth day you can already go for the payout if you can or if you want. Formula is not working yet. That's a pretty deep retracement. We came all the way back into the algo. $50 micros. High pressure. You know, they're not requesting 5 days or 10 days or 12 days to pass the evaluation. Minimum 3 days to pass the evaluation. Yes. Welcome, guys. Feel free to use my code for the highest discounts available. And a massive look, which comes next to it. Look at that great buying. Look at that great buying. Look at that great buying. Come on, just a couple of more points. This is looking juicy, guys, for me. We should have the momentum here. That would be another target hit today. Good morning from France. Good day. Also, the option to activate Trading View or Trade Evade seems to be at $10. Yeah. That's pretty fresh, they made that. $10. Sure. I can explain you basically. So, we had a lovely reaction. This is a place of demand. It's a place of demand zone, right? It has been a lovely reaction. We established a higher low towards that wick. We had a wick, great buying pressure, and then a higher low with that. So then we're just undercutting right now below this whole structure, taking the liquidity out. And I've been longing the place basically where we're expecting the market makers to step in and reverse. It's the place where retail would actually short because it would fall off a cliff, in other words. Now that is the moment the market makers are needing the liquidity. This is a liquidity spot with that wick. And then the price action that happens afterwards. So we'll have to put a stop loss on break even here, but I like to leave some flexibility for this trade. We have also longed it, guys, on my Quant Tower. Look at that, guys. Quite juicy values, right? Look at that. Juicy values out there. So simply the price action structure is just great. Ho ho! Keep it running, keep it running, keep it printing. I gotta be out from some of my orders. Close. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh. Celebration time. And we've also touched the target here, 1,515. This is the first day of trading on this account, guys. Scrambo's on fire. Prop firm getting terrified. There you go. We have undercut, and now we were flying. Purple Ninja Facts. Yeah, let's talk about the opening soon. But I have to see what's happening here in this top one, in this Quant Tower accounts from Lucid. I think I made more money than needed on some of them. Let me verify that quickly. Right, the first one with a problem is this. It's 5,000, we don't need that much. It is a fresh Lucid Flex challenge. It has 5,000 profit. We don't need more than 4,500. So it's time to lose $600 and I'm gonna short the markets. I wanna lose 600 bucks. Thank you, Fred, appreciate it. Yes, Quant Tower, we're trading the Lucid accounts here. And now I need to lose 600 bucks, so I've shorted the markets. I'm gonna DCA, right? We gotta lose $600. No, I'm the guy with the giveaway form, which is... Formalo is the problem, not Badger. Formalo. Very interesting concept with those max accounts. And we touched the target, guys, and 4,400. That's absolutely amazing for the first day. Absolutely amazing. Continuing to check out for the other accounts too. Look at that, juicy. So we have been choppy here. And that was no problem for me. We've been hitting targets. 1,515 for the first day here, and then 1,618 for the second day. I know you guys are joking. We have another guy here where we've made 6,700 in the first day. Lucid Flex 150k. Right? 6,700 in the first day. We don't need that much. I have to lose here 2,200, guys. Help me lose. I'm gonna short 5 minis. We gotta lose. Come on, hit that target, guys. I'm out for the moment. What on earth? I traded the wrong account. I traded the wrong account. The P&L didn't change. I remain on the previous account. I didn't switch. I remain on the previous account. I didn't switch. I should have switched to this account. Oh my god. So I lost on purpose on an account I should have not. We lost part of the profits. Now I just switched to the right account. Look at that, P&L is moving. Yeah, we remain on the previous account. And we lost some money there, have to verify. Tap 1 futures, yeah, buffer is required. I'm out here, so we need to lose another 1,000. Tap 1 futures buffer is required after passing the challenge, yes, yes. And you withdraw above the buffer. I'm trading Nasdaq. Candles look different because I might be on a different time frame. What you're watching here for the Quant Tower is the 1 minute. And then here we've got basically the 1 minute too. It depends on the time frame. We have got with the 5 minutes. Depends on the time frame too. Good morning, welcome guys. Yes, online. Yes. Yes, online hub. Yes. Here's your buffer, online hub. Yes, for the top one. This is the buffer. You produce that buffer, and then you start taking daily payouts on what you make above the buffer. So you become funded, make the buffer. The buffer is, for example, for 100K is at 3%. And then make 1,500 on top of your buffer if you want to take the max payout, 1,500. And you take the 1,500 out. Tomorrow, if you make another 1,000, you take it out. The next day, you make another 1,000, you take it out. So it's a daily printing money machine. So we lost like $1,000 on the account that I should... we had 4,500, now we have 3,400. However, on this one I still have to lose 1,000. So I'm gonna short the markets and have a lovely $1,000 lost there. Market opens in 7 minutes. Top on Futures came out with a new product. We talked about it today. And I'm gonna post the video, guys. Daily payouts. There you go. Target has been hit here. Celebration time. If I expect an invitation from Lucid for one of those max accounts, maybe not yet. But in the future, I would love to be part of, yeah. New product for Top on Futures Quantum. Very good product. Yeah, we talked about it. Daily payouts, no consistency on funded stage. You know, I'm gonna have a complete review video posted today, right? Feel free, guys, to utilize Scrambo code for maximum discounts, and here you can find out more. Yes, it's end of the day. End of the day. It's not trailing during the day, it's end of the day. Exactly. You gotta trade responsibly. Exactly. That's the perfect world. A world of responsible traders. How realistic is that? Usually traders are not that responsible with risk management, or they like quick profits. Let's see what else we succeed performing on my... We have another... Oh, I think we passed an evaluation of Lucid Flex. Let me quickly verify. I think we've passed a Lucid Flex. Between the big profits we made earlier, I think one of the accounts is heavy and juicy at the same time. This is the account, guys. Today's chart, today's data has not been updated yet. But on Monday, yesterday, we made 4,725. So we have increased my target to 159,450. And we have made 159,760 with 5,000. 5,035. I think I can still lose like... I can lose about $300, and I have to lose like $300, and we passed the evaluation. We passed the freaking evaluation if we lose like $300. 5 accounts right now on Top on Futures, the new elite 5 accounts. Depends on which account model, because you can have 10 of other, but this new product is 5. 5 combined, evils and funded. Combined. Right, not separated like we have it at other firms where you can have unlimited evaluations and max 5 funded, such as Lucid or the other I gotta lose 300 bucks, guys. So I'm shorting the markets here. I think I'm sitting on the wrong account yet. Again, I'm out of this. We lost 30 bucks, not an issue. But I've been out there on the wrong account again. Now the PNL is moving. It's fine. We switched that. Giveaway is giveaway. Accounts are different. The giveaways have nothing to do with that. Double up. Ha 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 ha. We might end up making some money here. I've DCA'd. 3 minutes short. Market opens in 2 minutes. I don't think I passed this. But I'm gonna lose, you know, for the security measures. I'm gonna lose some money. We got 50% consistency, I think. Bring it up, guys. I think Lucid will update the dashboard with this account and will show it as possibility to be upgraded into the funded. I'm re-DCAing here. You know, Lucid has a margin basically for passing this evaluations of Lucid Flex in 2 days. There's less than 1 minute to go, guys. Look at that. And we're printing instead of losing. 4 minutes short. What if it drops and we're making a lot? We should have some wicks back and forth. Look at that. Lovely. 159,476. And here we got 159,450 target. So we passed another Lucid Flex of 150,000, guys. Celebration time. Scrambo's on fire. Good luck, everyone, with the opening bell. Market is pumping. Look at that move. We just touched the daily VWAP there. Might see some rejections. There's a massive lag. We don't have a link for the giveaway today. Yes, Quantum. 45% consistency on evil stage, no consistency in the funded stage. Yeah. Giveaway link is down. No link today. That daily VWAP might be difficult to clear. That might be a difficult task to be cleared. Assuming is strict, yes. You have to respect the 10 seconds rule. You have to respect that. Oh, there you go, the scammer here. Quite of a big retracement, guys. Ho ho. Massive rejection exactly from the daily VWAP. Pretty undecided to me. Yeah, it's a wild volatility, guys. I'm glad I've made my money pretty much before this whole thing started in a crazy manner. I'm just glad I made good money before this whole thing. Look at that, we're back. We had a massive rejection and it's fully back. It looks like it wants to become a runner. Looks like it wants to become a runner. Lovely. 4,400. And not doing right now any one-on-one classes. No. Good job passing your YRM. How much do I recommend daily on a 50K, right? Between $500 to $600. Yeah. Don't try to push for more and be aggressive. $500 to $600 profits are great. Even accepting a $400 or $350 day is good. I mean, most of the time, stacking up days is much more important than the value itself, right? To keep the rhythm, keep the momentum, keep those green days, and even $300, $400 days are just adding to so much, guys, so much that, you know, we always realize that at the end when we're close to the payout, when we see, well, we had 4 or 5 days that were just, you know, quite minimal profits, and that was great because it brought us here. So we were not that concerned trying to hit daily the same value, because it's not possible. 682. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Top 1 Futures is having a brand new product, daily payouts, and no consistency in the funded stage. It's just, you know, quite crazy. We're having a review video that will be posted on my YouTube channel later today. You certainly want to watch it. It's a complete review video. We touched the 200 EMA, 200-day EMA, and the last week's low with the weekly monthly opening right there is 668. Yep. Made too much trying to lose 1,400. You know, good luck with that. Sometimes it's harder to lose than making money. It's been just rumors about Lucid sales, right? But they will reset those numbers of users you can have with that percentages. They will reset them soon. We had 2 users with 50%, 5 users with 40, and then unlimited with 30. They will have to reset those. When the majority of people have consumed them, they will reset those. No, we had a great day so far. A great day so far. We have been navigating. Looks like daily volume at average price is holding on to 615. Not really allowing that much. Yeah. You know, with Tap 1, I mean, in the meantime, you might be qualifying for a payout from Tap 1 in the meantime, till Lucid comes out with fresh promos to reset those users. Elite Daily is their new product. Daily Payout. I mean, what you gotta do is that 3 grand is the buffer in the funded stage. It's 3%. Once we complete that, we're starting daily to run for the payouts daily. Whatever money you make, I mean, if it's minimum 500 bucks, you cash it out daily. Imagine just taking 6-7 pounds in a month like that from an account, guys. I mean, from 1,500 is obviously you get 90 to 10, so you get 1,350. But if you get 1,350 times 6 in a month, 6 days to take payouts in a month, $8,100 from a single account times 5, because that's how many accounts you can have. That's $40,000 from 6 days or 6 payouts. $40,000 in a month. There's no joke behind this. That's a juicy payout. Prices will certainly increase a lot. Right, so now we have this 100K, and first sale is 60%. Right, so first sale for the 100K, Elite Daily 100K, continue. Look at that. Let me just quickly verify. I think it's around 160 bucks or something like that. Yeah, $160. Incredible. Can't believe that. Not even at 200, which is basically 50% with the upcoming sales. 60% is just the first sale. This is easily going to be 270, 280. Easily. Wow. I don't know how bullish is that, guys. Well, it's not that too promising. I don't know. This is not too promising. I'm telling you honestly. Gold is running downwards. Look at that. The S&P is not having a good time with this gap. No, no. Market's getting slaughtered. Nvidia is under pressure. Crypto is under pressure too. We're gonna start a giveaway soon. Make sure to like the video. So let me tell you the milestone we gotta be before we can start the giveaway. Oh my gosh, we have 116 likes. No, we have to take this one 170. Right, so 170, and we don't have many minutes for that. Minimum 170 likes. 170 likes to do the giveaways. Yeah, no form today because formula it was not working. Crazy move here, guys. Look at that. Almost 90 points out of nowhere. No form today. No form. Minimum 170 likes before we start the giveaways. And if the time expires, we don't do giveaways today. Simple. Giveaway link is down today. Formula is trying to play dirty games with us. I guess this is so hard to be traded. Much better time for me on London session and pre-US. Oh, much better time. We brought 2 accounts of YRM to max daily value, 1,500, 1,600. And then we brought quite a few Lucid accounts in a great shape. You guys aren't playing games here. Gotta reach out to Formula once again and just what's happening with their form, guys. Formula should be doing a much better job. Why are they playing games with us? 30 games. Formula, wake up. Right now. There's, you know, the master trader, you know, the biggest problem is not the model, the price, the accounts. The biggest problems are with the payouts that are just not there. The biggest problems are, you know, with the historical approach from this company, with people, with traders, and so far. So I'm totally avoiding it at this day, and I will avoid it as long as I have, and will always have, I'm not worried about it, great products out there in markets where we have prop firms that have no discussions about payouts. Right. Yeah, they updated the payout, but the company's the same, right? We'll certainly bring up those things with filming your hands, your keyboard, filming your desktop, filming your screen, your monitor, whatever. Yeah. I think we have so many reliable companies today that never ever ruin their reputation, that it's kind of useless on the Apex side. It's just my standpoint on it. I like to deal with companies that are not requesting videos of my bedroom on trading, even though I'm not trading from the bedroom. But still, guys, you know what I mean. 20 more likes, 30, 20, 30 more likes. Come on, guys. Otherwise, we're not starting the giveaways, and we've got 10 minutes to collect that. 20 more likes needs to be collected. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Quantum. Yeah, they claim no more denials, but that's what they've been claiming back in the day too. Right, so sales are down. people struggle. And it's just about news cycles and 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, bringing more attention. You know, the company these days is having the most attention when they create something new. When they relaunch, basically, the business. When they create something new. So you constantly have to create new things to keep the eyeballs on your business. Yeah. You constantly have to create new things to keep the eyeballs on your business, right? Because people join and say, well, let me try out this new thing. So they take advantage. Just because there is a new thing, it doesn't matter. Time for ducks. We haven't hit the minimum likes. 170 minimum likes. 170. Yeah, I've kind of finished my trading and I'm still waiting 6-7 minutes. If we hit the minimum 170 likes, we do the giveaways. Full target hit today. Quite a few aces. I've been training today 2 hours on the pitch. Exactly, Master Trader. Daily payout there. It's quite juicy. I'll grab myself quite a few of them. And we're going to diversify. 2 hours of heavy tennis today for me. It's what I had. Giveaway link is not working. Giveaway link is not functional. So many traders do not trust them anymore. That's right. Completely right. Right, so it's just a question of time until you're the one getting denied. It's random, right? It's random. You stay here for the giveaway. You don't have to register. Yeah, Fred. I'm gonna put the review today, guys. 165 likes, so we need 5 more likes and we do the giveaway. You will enter the giveaway by liking the video, being subscribed, and joining the Discord, and then you will have to guess the number. We don't have formula today. We'll start the giveaway in a few minutes. If they bring it down to 239 today, that's going to be so dirty. So dirty. 239. Last month's low. That's going to squeeze some of the guys. For the moment, we're respecting the 500s, but this is a huge fight here, guys. If we get into the 4-hour candlesticks, speaking of a little longer term perspective, we're sitting at the strong demand zone. Reaction points. Lots of liquidity here all the way down to 239. Yeah. If we look into the daily perspective, anything that's above 24,000 is, you know, let's not forget about a purple line you guys see on my chart here. We're looking at the daily candles, and we're going to talk some technicals right now until we hit the minimum likes needed. 197, 200 EMA, 200 days of EMA, daily candlestick, guys. 200-day EMAs to 196. Right, so As long as you're bouncing on 24,000 or you're just doing a wick on the daily below, keep that in mind. During the day, you can break below 24,000, but as long as you're closing your daily or you're having an opening above 24, that's another thing. Closing your daily or having an opening above is needs to be yes. Great job, guys. So we are starting the giveaway. 24 grand is right there. Beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. So we need the whale, we need the ducks. And today there is no formula, which is because of formula. I'm not bearish. I'm not bearish. You have to consider micro analysis on this chart. Micro. You got to do things around 5 minute, 15 minute, hourly, 4 hours. You have to look into this time frames for sure. Someone is proposing, guys, look at that. I am buy. Someone says I am buy 2 account. What does that mean, guys? It's still in the range. I don't think it's bearish. It can be quite bullish, even at 23,900s. You guys saw that. 23,900s, we have the wick here. 23,900s. You haven't lost anything with that. You're in that range. There's a massive range here of 1,500 points. Someone is saying, I buy 2 accounts, 1 Lucid, 1 Tap 1. Please give me 1 giveaway account. All right, guys. So first giveaway. Tap 1 futures 25,000 instant funded. End of the day. This is the account, by the way, someone from our community on Discord just reached to a payout and got paid. A couple of days ago, he wrote a nice message here. Here you go, guys. Took my first payout from Tap 1 Futures today from the account, which was given by Scramble. Thank you so much. 1,500. This one. From Zidar. Congratulations. So what you gotta do, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. You gotta do all these things. Here's the Discord link. Streaming from Monday to Friday. Watch out for the numbers. From 0 to 9. You can start right now. Start, guys. From 0 to 9. Guess the number. Each number has a single entry. Appears once. Start right now. Best of luck, everyone. Formula was not working today. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Shuffle. There you go. We're ready. Best of luck, everyone. It's not going to be 0816. No, not 4. Debating on the number 3, but that might just fall into number 5. Look at that one, guys. I think it's the number 3, actually. Oh my gosh, there you go. Number 3, congratulations for the winners. Good job. Congratulations for the winners. That was so close with a number 5. But you see, they didn't allow it. They didn't allow it. The market makers of the ducks. As soon as you stop picking number 3, it comes out, right? 15 winners. Look at that chance out there for going with a number 3. 15 winners, guys. Competing for 30 seconds. Start right there. Best of luck, everyone. $25,000 instant funding account from Top-1Futures. End of the day drawdown. Remember, guys, Top-1Futures came out with a new product, daily payouts. I'm going to post a review video on my channel today. Scramble Clifford highs, discounts, first purchase, 60% off, and then all the upcoming ones are 50%. Who's speeding up? Pulse. Sovereign Pulse. There you go, Sovereign. Duck. Look at that, guys. It's kind of a special skill. And Massimiliano on the second, but Sovereign, you got this. You got this. Congratulations for the winner. Good job. There you go. Congratulations, buddy. Acer, you got on the 7. Congratulations. There you go. Continuing with the second giveaway. Second giveaway will be Second giveaway will be 50,000 Lucid Flex. Second giveaway. Get ready for some nice prize. Right, so same numbers from 0 to 9. Each have a single appearance, a single entry. You can start right now. Start right now, guys. From 0 to 9, each number appears once. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Make sure to like the video. Be subscribed. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. And we had a lovely, profitable day. Lovely, profitable day. Hope you had the same. If not today, then tomorrow. And so on. Keep in mind, trading is a long-term thing. So, you really have to manage your expectancies. Otherwise, you might get upset and turn your back towards the upcoming profits that you might miss because you give up too early. None of us were profitable from the beginning. We all had a progress needed to happen. So if we would just give up, the final stage would have never ever appeared. Stop right there. No more guesses, guys. It's over. Stop right there. 460s on the Nasdaq. Shuffle. And here we go. Sure, guys. None of us had a great time from the beginning. We all been through a progress. Number 4935 will not be... That's going to be number 7, guys, I think. I think that's number 7. Congratulations for the winners. I'm pretty convinced about number 7. Yeah, usually I talk about the trades during the time I'm trading them, not having recaps. But I'm thinking about having recaps too. I thinking about having recap videos of daily trades that I performed. Keep some accountability with that. I think that would be quite helpful. Number 7 out there. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. I think this is going to be enjoyed. Number 7. This is going to be enjoyed. 24 winners. Look at that. This is what happens when we have 9 different numbers. Actually, 10 different numbers. 30 seconds competition time, 24 players running for a 50,000 Lucid Flex account. Look at a purple ninja facts. Time for the B. But someone is gonna speed up at the end. Look at that. The dino. Eat, pray, love. Travel, eat, pray, love. Trade, travel, eat, pray, love. There you go. You got this one. Oh, I do know you. You've been with us for a long period of time. Trade, travel, eat, pray, love. Congratulations. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that top. 50k. Lucid goes out to trade. Yeah. Look at that. Great stuff, guys. Continuing with the third giveaway. I'm already going to change the numbers. But look at the Nasdaq. Still sitting at the same levels here. Wicks to the upside. But you see, all the wicks we've made here to the upside will not remain untouched. I'm telling you, for today. All this wicks to the upside will not remain untouched. The third giveaway will be 50k YRM. 50k YRM. For the third giveaway, guys. 50k YRM. So, watch out for the ratios here. We'll have a 000, 777, a single 8, and that's it. You can start right now. 777, 000, and a single number 8. Let me know, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more. It's over. No more guesses. Shuffle. Best of luck. And we are gonna find it out. We got the number 7 back-to-back sitting there. And if you reach to that part of the wheel, it's not gonna be number 8. Could be that yellow 0. That red 0. Yeah, it's gonna be the 0, guys. It's going to be that red 0. We are traveling to zeros. Congratulations. That's right there. And a good opportunity for the number 7. Have them next to each other. It didn't play it out, but congratulations for the winners. Congratulations. Wow, look at that. 75 winners. There you go. 75. That's a whole different game. You guys will compete for 1 minute and 30 seconds. I just want to make sure your fitness is up to the point and ready for swimming. This is the Atlantic we're watching. Look at that. So crowded. So crowded. Can't see the names. Gunner speeds up. Mm. 30 seconds to go. Remember, we're going to post a video today on my channel. You're going to be notified, and you can find it out on Discord. You can just check out our channel later today in about 2 or 3 hours. 10 seconds to go. Someone is going to speed up. Marco Preto, the chef, is there. But we have the Shah. The Shah with a number 66 winning the competition, $50,000 YRM account. The Shah. There you go. Congratulations, buddy. Merci. Merci beaucoup. This is where we are. Merci beaucoup. Number 66 for the winner. Congratulations. There you go. Fully confirmed. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for today. We had a great day, I'm telling you. Bringing profits on board and securing funded accounts and then just advancing is a very important time. We also had great education and really well surprised with the tap on futures product. We keep in touch, guys. Have a lovely day, lovely time. We are continuing tomorrow. In the meantime, we're going to be out there on Discord. Peace. Have a lovely day.